Welcome to the in front of me XIAOMI Redmi 10, and I'll show you how to disable ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go to the settings app and find just the sounds and vibration section. Tap here, and as can you see, our ringtone is set up now. Just to disable that function, just swipe with your finger to the left, and also we got one more option. Just here press with your finger on the volume button and go here to the three dots, and you can swipe down with your finger and you will turn off your ringtone volume. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave like, leave comment and subscribe our channel.